Most folks see a pile of rusted old metal,
Oh no, got a light.
a rotten relic not worth their time, a lost cause best left on the scrap heap.
That unbolted stuff.
And who can blame them? But here at the Old Rope Salvage workshop, we see something else. A piece of history, an unfinished story, a second chance.
Get in!
We are Lisa and Tim.
Are we gonna make it all painted by the end of the week?
No.
And this channel is more than just fixing up old trucks. It's about the grit,
Oh dear.
the obsession, the not giving up when things get tough, and the long-term vision of creating something beautiful from out of the scrap heap. We've got a bit of a history of taking on some big and maybe slightly questionable challenges. 7 years converting an old fishing trawler into a houseboat. The 5-year nut and bolt restoration of our Bedford truck, which tested every shred of patience we had. And then some. And right now, our old 1941 Ford truck, which needs a complete overhaul after spending half a decade sitting neglected in the back of our barn. We do everything ourselves on a tiny budget of pretty much zero. Battling the Cornish weather, our lack of resources, and occasionally each other. Using ingenuity, trial and error, experimentation, optimism,
I'm not being grumpy, I hate it.
and of course a lot of tea. Mostly tea. We've got some incredible projects lined up, so if you enjoy restorations and builds which don't cut corners, subscribe to the channel now and join us on the journey. Be warned though, we do like to travel the long road. It's where you get all the best scenery after all.
Till we find our way.